Ever seen a jet disappear on radar like a ghost? That's the B-2 Spirit, a $2 billion flying wing so secret even its paint job is classified. But how do you actually build something that's designed not to be seen? What kind of tech goes into making a bomber that can fly across continents, drop nuclear bombs, and vanish before you even know it was there? Today, we're unlocking the ultra-classified world of stealth aviation. This is how America builds the deadliest bomber ever made, the B-2 Spirit. First, let's talk about why the B-2 looks like a UFO. Its smooth, curved shape isn't just for show. Every inch is carefully crafted to deflect radar waves, the key to stealth. Unlike conventional jets, the B-2 has no tail, no vertical stabilizers, just a sweeping flying wing that makes it practically invisible. But here's the real secret. It's not just the shape, it's the skin. The entire aircraft is coated with radar-absorbing materials, a black, rubbery coating that eats up radar signals instead of bouncing them back. These materials are so sensitive, they need constant maintenance. In fact, after almost every flight, ground crews reapply or repair the stealth coating by hand. Every panel, every screw is perfectly flush to avoid radar reflections. Even the engine intakes are buried deep inside, shielded from heat-seeking eyes in the sky. It's like building a ghost that can fly. Building the B-2 isn't just expensive, it's insanely complex. Each aircraft is assembled in a highly secured facility by Northrop Grumman in Palmdale, California. And when I say highly secured, I mean fingerprint scanners, no cell phones, and guards at every turn. The jet is constructed using carbon fiber reinforced composites, titanium, and other exotic materials. These aren't just light and strong, they're radar resistant too. The wingspan? 172 feet. Longer than 4 school buses end to end. But the real magic happens in the assembly bays. Parts are built separately in temperature-controlled clean rooms, then moved via massive robotic cranes and slotted into place with tolerances of less than a millimeter. Even the screws are custom designed to reduce radar signature. And because the B-2 is so secret, many workers only ever see their part of the plane. Nobody outside a tight circle sees the full bomber until it rolls out, like a finished puzzle that only a few can solve. Once assembled, the B-2 doesn't just take off and fly, it undergoes rigorous testing in specially designed wind tunnels and electromagnetic labs. Why? Because the smallest flaw, even a bump the size of a coin, can make it visible to enemy radar. Technicians use laser systems to scan the entire surface for imperfections. Then comes the flight test. An operation so delicate it's almost ceremonial. Each B-2 is flown by elite test pilots who push the aircraft to its limits. Rapid climbs, sharp turns, radar tests, and stealth missions across vast distances. If anything seems off, a loose panel, a misaligned edge, it's back to the lab for adjustments. The level of precision is extreme. This isn't just about flying, it's about vanishing. In the sky, the B-2 can sneak past radar systems that were designed to catch everything. It's not just hard to spot, it's practically impossible. So why does each B-2 cost $2.1 billion? Simple. It's part plane, part spaceship, part ghost. And every bit of it is handmade, custom-fitted, and constantly upgraded with cutting-edge tech. But the price isn't just about the materials, it's about the secrecy. From encrypted communication systems to satellite-resistant coatings, the B-2 is built to operate alone, undetected, deep inside enemy territory. Only 21 were ever built, and fewer than that are still flying. Each one lives in a highly guarded hangar, with 24/7 protection, and entire teams dedicated to just preserving invisibility. When a B-2 takes off, it's not just a mission, it's a statement. Whether it's flying from Missouri to the Middle East and back without refueling or carrying nuclear payloads across oceans, this jet is America's ultimate ace in the sky. So the next time you don't see something on radar, it might just be a B-2 Spirit silently soaring overhead. It's not just a bomber, it's a ghost with wings. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine, hit that like button, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech stories from the skies.